Justin Harris and his friends were going to the beach. When they arrived, they were disappointed. A big sign was posted in front of the water. It read, "No swimming today." His friends noticed the waves looked very big. "It's probably too dangerous to go in," said one of Justin's friends. Justin decided to ignore the sign. He had been looking forward to swimming all week. The big waves looked fun. "Come in, guys," said Justin. He jumped in. Then a huge wave took him under. His friends ran to find a lifeguard. The lifeguard had to rescue Justin. "Can't you read?" he yelled.